Hi, welcome to English Writing 300 College Composition. I'm Dr. Olson, also known as Dr. O. And today what I'm going to do is give you a short video lesson on how to navigate Canvas. This is a Canvas overview for English Writing 300. Instructors can organize Canvas however they'd like, and so you're going to have to see how your other instructors organize their Canvas courses. This is just for mine. The sooner you figure out how your classes are organized on Canvas, the easier those classes will be. So, here we go. This is what the dashboard on Canvas will look like, roughly, when you log on. And what you're going to see over on the far left is the Canvas navigation board. And that's going to show your account, the dashboard, which is where we are right now. If you click on this, you'll have a list of your courses. Don't worry too much about that. The important links are the inbox, where you can email me or your other instructors or your classmates, the dashboard, and then the account where you can change your settings. This is the dashboard itself, and this will show all of the courses that you're taking. Once you click on the course, this is what our course looks like here, the Future Me. Once you click on that, you'll come to this home page. You see in the upper left that there's the link for the home page. And then in the center, there will be this video and also some introductory instructions. So you'll want to read that right away. On the left, over here, this is the course navigation bar. You'll want to click on modules because that's where everything in this class, all of the assignments in this class are going to be housed. So that's where you're going to want to click next. Under modules, you'll see, for example, the first week here. You can see our first week is going to be all about the course orientation. You'll see that assignments are due 2 days of the week. They're due on Tuesdays and they're due on Fridays. That's every single week that's going to be the case. Over here on the left, you'll see that the assignments are numbered 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So that is the first week and the first assignment, the first week, the second assignment, the first week, the third assignment, and so on. You'll start by reading the course introduction. You'll then read the syllabus, 1.2. You'll go to 1.3, watch this Canvas video, and so on. One very important thing to note is that you'll be dropped if the above assignments aren't done by 8:25. That's the first Tuesday. And that is because I need to have the students in the class who are really prepared to succeed here. And those who cannot make it in the class, I'm going to drop them and then add the students who are on the wait list. So if you have any problems at all with this, contact me immediately. Let's discuss a plan to help you succeed in this class because I would like to have you here. So that's the lightning bolt there. If we go back to the dashboard, you'll see there's English 108, which is the helper course that goes along with 300. You're all enrolled in both of those courses. For right now, don't worry about 108. We'll discuss 108 in 300. For now, you can have a look around that Canvas shell if you'd like. And that's about it. I really look forward to meeting you. I'm so glad you're taking the class. Welcome to Writing 300 and to City College if this is your first semester.